our 15 years anniversary tomorrow, and we decided to come see the London Bridge. It's like a little London here in Arizona. You don't have to go to London anymore. We're gonna go to the other side and check it out. Look. One day we're gonna come back and rent one of those boats and try and ride. We have this little guy with us because Mama cannot handle him. Oh, look at the little boat, baby, with the fish. There's a fish there. Say hi. Can you say hi, baby love? Yes. Do you like the boat? And you can rent those speedboats. What's that? There's ducks under the bridge.
Is it on now? Can you hear me now?
We're crossing the bridge now. Tapos meron ata dyang mirror. Should we go in there? You're tired now? You don't want to sleep.
You tired?
Yeah. It's so nice.
I think you can bring your own
What?
kayak or anything.
You can bring your what?
A kayak or anything.
Yeah.
No, I think you're not allowed to do that.
No?
No, I don't think so. It's just exclusively for this area.
Rent?
Mm-hmm. Where are we going now?
Go back there?
Okay.
Let's go back. There's bird, baby. Sorry. London Bridge is a bridge in Lake Havasu City, Arizona. It was originally built in the 1830s and formerly spanned the River Thames in London, England. The bridge was purchased by Robert P. McCulloch from City of London in 1968. McCulloch had exterior granite blocked from the original bridge cut and transported to the United States for use in the construction of a new bridge in Lake Havasu City, a planned community he established in 1964 on the shore of Lake Havasu. The Arizona Bridge is a reinforced concrete structure clad in the original masonry of 1830s bridge. The bridge was completed in 1971, along with a canal, and links an island in the Colorado River with the main part of Lake Havasu City. The rededication of the London Bridge took place on October 10, 1971. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And see you guys in the next vlog, on the next video. Bye!